Everyone, I got some bad news for you.
What's that, Miss Michelle?
We're going to have a math test this Friday. And Bianca's legs were broken.
Huh? That's terrible. What happened?
I don't know exactly. Her mom just called me this morning. Maybe I will come over in the afternoon to check the situation.
Yeah, God bless her. I hope she will be better soon.
Lucy, please come to my table. Hey, can you do me a favor?
Yeah, anything, Miss Michelle. What can I help you with?
I know that you're still mad at Bianca because of the thing that happened last term, but I really need your help with her math homework now.
What do you mean?
Bianca will not be able to go to school for at least 2 weeks. Would you mind if I ask you to come to her house and give her tuition every day after school?
I don't know, Miss Michelle. It's hard to decide. I don't think I'm ready to get over it after what she did to me.
You can think about it at home.
Yeah, I will talk to my dad as well. It's for sure that he can give me some advice.
Certainly. And please keep in mind that you never know how strong your hurt is until you learn to forgive those who broke you.
Thank you, Miss Michelle. May I go back to my seat now?
Yes, you may. Alright, everybody, open the math workbook on page 156. We will recap everything you learned so far to get ready for the test. Do you see the first question? Hey, babe, how were your school today?
It was fine, Daddy.
I'm sorry that I could not pick you up. When I'm about to leave the house, there is an emergency call from the hospital.
It's okay. Walking is good for my health.
What happened? You look unhappy. Are you upset because of me?
No, of course not. I just feel a little bit tired. I need a long nap. Please don't wake me up until dinner.
Okay, I will. Tell me if you need any help, okay?
Yes, Daddy.
Hello, I'm Miss Michelle, Lucy's teacher. Hello, Miss Michelle. I'm her dad. I'm calling you in order to talk about Lucy and Bianca issue. Do you have a minute? Yes, I do. What's the matter? Was there a fight between the girls again? No, there wasn't. Did Lucy tell you anything? No. She's just home and she said that she felt tired. She went to her room to take a rest. Can you please tell me what happened? Oh, Bianca broke her leg yesterday. She could not go to school for 2 weeks. Unfortunately, the kids almost have a math test. Oh dear, poor her. I did ask Lucy to help Bianca with her math homework, and it seemed that Lucy did not want to give a hand. I understand that everything that happened last time shocked her so much. I just suggest that you talk to Lucy. Forgiveness is a gift you give yourself. I got it, Miss Michelle. I will talk to her tonight. You can count on me. I'm sure that she will change her mind. I believe so. Thank you so much. I'll get back to you later. Goodbye. Lucy, darling, it's dinner time. Do you feel better? Do you need some medicine?
No, I'm okay, Daddy. You don't have to worry about me. Where's Mommy?
She is working a night shift today, so it's just the two of us enjoying dinner together. I made you some fruit salad. Do you like it?
Yeah, I do. This is the best salad in the world.
What are you going to do after dinner?
I'm going to finish my math homework. We're about to have a test this weekend. There's some parts where I need your help. Can you please help me?
Yeah. How about your friends? Is she doing fine?
Which friend are you talking about?
Bianca, your best friend.
She's not my best friend. Not anymore.
Come on, Lucy. She apologized to you already. You also accepted it. Forgive means forget.
What does it mean?
It means when you do forgive somebody, you must forget their mistakes.
Why do I have to do that?
Because none of us is perfect. Someday you might be wrong to her too. What do you expect her to do at that time? Do you want her to forgive you?
Yeah, I guess so.
So you need to forgive her first.
Okay, I will try. In fact, Bianca just broke her leg yesterday. I'm not sure if she's feeling okay. But I'm not ready to talk to her again.
A friend in need is a friend indeed. Do you think it is a good chance for you both to be reconciled?
What should I do then?
I suggest that you come over to her house and give her private tuition after school.
Okay, will you drive me there?
Absolutely, honey.
Hi, Bianca, are you okay? Lucy? How can you get in here? Of course, I did not come here through the window. Your mom opened the door for me. No, I mean, why are you here? To laugh at you. What? I'm joking. Why are you so serious? You didn't expect me to be here? No, I'm just so surprised. Well, you ignored me in the class, so I thought our friendship was over. I'm sorry about that. I had a talk with my dad last night, and I do want us to be friends again. Let the past be the past. We start it over. I'm here to help you with your math homework. Really? You are so generous. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Alright, where's your math workbook? It's on my desk. Okay, Miss Michelle said we need to finish until page 200. Are you ready? Yes, I am.